This is Kavya and this is my family. I recently bought a flat in Bangalore in CBR Sarastira, Medahalli. We were searching for interior work to be done at home and we came across Art Interiors. The team listened to our all requirements and suggested us with multiple ideas and color combinations which suited our home. Execution was done very well and I really appreciate the work and I'm happy about the outcome. A special thanks to Arun, Tharak and to the whole Art Interior team for completing the work on proper time.
Thank you, Art Interiors team.